Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll review the best amazing hair dryer brush. If you're looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the video until the end. So, let's start our review today. 7. In-1 blow dryer brush, a revolutionary styling tool designed for drying, curling, straightening, and volumizing with ease. Whether you want sleek straight hair, voluminous waves, or bouncy curls, this all-in-one hot air brush delivers a smooth, frizz-free finish while minimizing heat damage. Includes a hair dryer, air curling barrel, volumizing brush, straightening brush, round brush concentrator brush, and hot Airwrap styler to create different hairstyles effortlessly. Whether you want sleek straight hair, voluminous waves, or bouncy curls, this all-in-one hot air brush delivers a smooth, frizz-free finish while minimizing heat damage. 7-in-1. A premium all-in-one hairstyler delivers flawless styling with ease. Key features. 7-in-1 blow dryer brush. Multifunctional hair dryer brush. Unleash your creativity and allow you to easily become your own stylist and create various styles you want. Brush blow dryer. Achieve any curl effect you desire with its powerful air wrapping technology. Dry brush. It has a built-in hot airflow, which dries hair quickly. Air curling barrel. This barrel is automatically wrapped in gentle, warm air without direct contact with the hot plates, creating a beautiful wavy or curly look. As a result, hair damage is reduced. Volumizing brush. A volumizing brush lifts the hair roots and adds fullness, giving your hair a thicker and bouncier look with each stroke. Perfect for thin or flat hair. Straightening brush. Straightening brush smooths and straightens curly hair. Upgrade hot air brush. Powerful 7-in-1 curling brush set airflow blows out from the air curler attachment, continuously forming a circle-wise surrounding airflow around the curler. Enhanced coando effect makes hair automatically adhere to the surface for clockwise and counterclockwise curls. Creates voluminous, smooth, and natural curls without extreme heating, creating hassle-free curls in seconds. 7-in-1 hot air brush set meets all your style needs. Flexible hair styling tools. Automatic curling iron can customizable temperature. With 3 temperature settings available, you can style your hair according to your preference. High. Quickly shape for thick and pre-dried hair. Middle. Suitable for long-lasting hairstyles you set. Low. Suitable for fine, soft, damaged, and treated hair. Thermal brush is flexible to set various hairstyles you want. Choose the best temperature for your hair. Negative Lonic Air Curler. The hair curling iron offers effortless and fast hair drying. The round brush blow dryer releases thousands of negative ion airflows to care for your hair during drying. Hair brush blow dryer adopts a ceramic coating process to smooth the static frizz effectively. Hot brush styler allow you get luxury salon hair care to volumize and shine without heat damage, and an automatic hair curler make you have a free hair salon at home. Warm tips of curling irons. Curling iron brush is suitable for all hair types, making it a versatile styling tool for everyone. With the All Styler 7-in-1, you can achieve stylish results while caring for your hair. Whether you're looking for easy-to-use attachments or a powerful tool that reduces heat damage, this hairstyle is designed to meet your needs. Experience the best in hair styling and discover why it's among the top picks for every hair type. That was today's review. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this product, then purchase now. Product link in the description box.